Right guys, today we are at Philemize. I mean, you can see the cars here, you probably get an idea of what they do. Yes, they wrap cars, and they are the top guys in the UK, pretty much. We have supplied and fitted a full Capristo exhaust on a 992 Turbo S. Not only does it look mega, it now sounds insane. Most people daily these cars, and the owner said he wanted a bit more from it, but because you've got the remote function, you can shut up when you want. So yeah, let's go and have a listen.
Capristo's CES3, which is their valve control unit, replaces the original electric actuators with block-off adapters and uses vacuum actuators to enable standalone control of the valves. This setup operates independently with a factory monitored control, allowing the valves to remain open at idle and to open earlier in the RPM range. Of course, you still got that 4K limit on idle revs, which is a bit annoying, but this is also something we could map out if needed. So as you can tell, the car has a lot more character to it now. To go into more depth on the exhaust, this has a valve sport exhaust from Capristo with cat spare pipes and their remote control system. This is essentially their loudest version, as they do offer a catalyzed version, but this is just straight through pipes, deleting the cat and the OPF. Not only does it provide their new character and sound, but more performance in terms of extra horsepower and low range torque.